Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the ISO and a writable disk image. This is how the VM gets its OS and storage. Once you have the ISO, create a Qemu file with Qemu to save space and allow snapshots. Make sure KVM is loaded so you get near-native performance. If not, load the KVM module and confirm /dev/KVM exists. This step reduces headaches later and prepares the machine to boot quickly into the installer environment. Now boot the installer using Qemu SystemX 8664 with your chosen RAM and CPU count. Specify CDROM to boot the ISO and HDA for the Qemu disk so the installer sees the target disk. Use Enable KVM for hardware acceleration. Once done, proceed through the OS installer as on a physical machine. For networking, the user mode stack works immediately, while bridged networking provides LAN access. Make sure to use Virtuo devices when possible to improve disk and network throughput. Finish by booting the installed system directly from the Qemu image. Remove the installation ISO and change boot order so the disk is primary. Once running, install guest agents and configure display or spice for usability. For backups, create snapshots or convert images. If the VM does not start, check that KVM is enabled and that you use the correct disk format and firmware, BIOS versus UEFI. Rerun Qemu with increased logging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.